If you've seen an error saying Quickstep keeps stopping on your Android phone, you're probably wondering what Quickstep actually is and why it keeps crashing. Let's break it down in simple terms. What is the Quickstep app? Quickstep is a system app built into Android that controls how you navigate your phone. It is responsible for things like going to the home screen, opening recent apps, and handling gesture controls. You usually won't see it like a normal app, because it runs in the background as part of your phone's interface. What does it actually do? In simple terms, Quickstep helps you move around your phone. Every time you swipe up, switch apps, go back home, Quickstep is working behind the scenes. Think of it like the engine of your phone's navigation system. Why does Quickstep keeps stopping happen? This error usually appears when there is a problem with your phone's system interface rather than a single app issue. Some of the most common causes include bugs after a recent Android update, corrupted cache or system data, conflicts with third-party apps or launchers. Too many background processes are running at once. So this is not a virus or anything harmful. It is simply a system-level glitch. How to fix it? Restart your phone. Clear Quickstep cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Show System Apps, Quickstep, Storage, Clear Cache, and Data. Reset navigation mode. Switch to buttons, then back to gestures. Check for updates. Quick troubleshooting tip. You can also boot your phone into safe mode to test if another app is causing the problem. If the error stops in safe mode, then a recently installed app is likely the issue, and removing it should fix things. Is it safe or not? Yes, Quickstep is completely safe. It is part of Android itself and does not track you or run anything suspicious in the background. And if you want more detailed information, you can check out the full article link in the description. So now you know that Quickstep is not a hidden app or malware. It is simply a core system component that helps your phone function properly and allows you to navigate between apps smoothly. If you found this useful, hit subscribe because I break down these kinds of Android issues in a simple way.